Actually, I forgot. I forgot to do the settle. So I'm in school right now, right? Like I'm in a private room. We in school while we're flexing dashboards like this, bro. We're in school flexing dashboards like that. I dream of this moment. What's going on? My name is Julian Tiscione, and yes, I know this video already looks a bit different, but as y'all know, when you're trying to make money online and, trying to build your own businesses and trying to create some financial and time freedom, location freedom, you dread when you're first starting off and you're trying to manage both school, jobs, and your business, the time of the year, which is, starting your school around September, right after summer. School in university starts around this time, so we all dread that, right? So I thought I'd make a quick video of me going to school, right? And if you've been following me, you're probably like, Julian, didn't you drop out like a year ago? So exactly, I dropped out a bit over a year ago. I think we're reaching almost a year and a bit. And I thought that, I'd go back to school, with my friends, and it would be crazy to see, as you can see, how I dropped out making $0 online. Like, I did not make a single fucking dollar online before dropping out. Okay, so I have everything here. Yeah. It was my last in-person class of the schooling system I will ever attend. As now, you can probably see the clip there. But a bit of a year later, or almost a year and a half, I'm actually can confidently say that I've generated close to $1 million in sales. Now that's not profit. I'm not trying to fucking flex on your profit. Out of that, the profit margins are pretty decent. But yes, so like I said before dropping out, I generated zero fucking dollars. And a year and a half later, going back to school, generating almost there. We're almost at the road to $1 million. But yes, we have generated close to $1 million in total from different stores, different online marketing, different, YouTube or whatever fuck you like to call it. So it's going to be a pretty fun ride. Thought I'd bring you along and see how it feels. Feels a bit different, right? When you get to go to school, when you don't actually go to school, but have generated fucking more money than a lot of people that do go there, right? And just because I took the risk and locked in for a good period of time. Unfortunately, it's not the craziest story because I'm going to school in this car. It is not a crazy car by all means. Even though I could afford a nice car, I'm not gonna go ahead and blow my money. So unfortunately, it's not the craziest story where I'm pulling up to school in a fucking Lambo or some shit. But I am obviously trying to be smart with my money and not just blow it all on cars. So that will probably be in the near future. But for now, we'll take the Hyundai Elantra for a spin to school, see how, it would all work out. And honestly, thank God that I'm able to, get out of that area or get out of that situation and confidently be like, well off for myself, I guess. So yeah, we'll see you there. Are we getting some hugs tonight? So I just got to school here, and honestly, it's just so funny to see the people walking around and just being in the environment. Like, it's crazy. But I just wanted to really talk about, like, honestly, like, what really is so funny. I find that so many people, obviously, if you like your school, you like what you study, that's amazing. But it's like, it took me like an hour to drive here, and that's on a good day. Like usually I remember taking sometimes 2 hours almost to get to school, and then 2 hours back taking the metro, and it's like, that's 4 hours or 2 hours of your day wasted. It blows my mind, and people, they do this shit every fucking day, which is even insane. But no, I wanted to really say, like, obviously, like, I'm truly, absolutely grateful to God. God is what allowed me to,
get out of this situation. He's the one that gave me the strength and courage to drop out before, again, making a single dollar online, and now closing in on the road to $1 million pretty soon is within a year and a half of dropping out. And you know, I'm not here to make some sob story of like, you can do it, you know, you're special. I'm not nothing special, stuff like that. But like, I definitely put the work in. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Like, I put the fucking work in, and I just believed in myself. And that's something I want to talk about today, because I realized like one of the biggest leverage. I was talking with my partner Jason, and we were realizing like one of the biggest leverages for making money and success comes from the right vehicle. At the end of the day, right, like you have people that are working way harder than both me and you combined. You have people that have to support a family, working 3 jobs, probably like overnight shifts. They're probably working, you know, 18-hour days, you know, barely sleeping to just fund their family. They work harder than us, both of us for sure, but they're in the wrong vehicle. It's very hard to grow financial freedom in these jobs. And this trickles down all the way to even your business, the way you approach business, right? There is a product that you choose. The product itself is a certain vehicle. If you don't choose the right product, only a certain amount of potential is within this product compared to another one, depending on the markets you do, right? Some markets have more potential to grow than others, bigger TAM, right? That's something that we've learned, and then like even via sales, right? Like what's allowed me to get to this stage where I can walk in school. Well, I don't know why I'm even here, to be honest, but like just come to school and not like it's weird, like be outside the matrix, I guess, or some shit. But like, why am I able to, you know, drop out of school and make money online, to be financial free and travel the world? It's just because like over time I start to mix in hard work with the right vehicle. It was via sales that really skyrocketed my success with e-commerce, you know, and then maybe in a year from now, 2 years from now, whatever it may be, it could be something else that exponentially grows to something, you know, grows me to the next level. Who knows, right? But right now, it's like you got to not only work your ass off, but you got to figure out what is the right vehicle, what makes sense. You know, what is, I hate recording in public, honestly, but this is what I gotta do. None of these people are in the right vehicle. Like 80% of these people, or 90%, like all of these people are here because they're forced to by society, they're forced to by their parents, they're forced to, you know, and they don't have the balls enough to end up doing that. And you know what, like that's the majority of society, but there are very few people that are actually gonna take the risk. You know, I'm sure your feed is filled with people like me who've took the risk and who is financially free in some type of degree, right? And you're probably thinking like there's so many people in the world that do that, but no, like we're actually, in the grand scheme of things, a very small percentage. Like there are billions of people in this world, and only 1%, let's say, actually change their lives, follow what they want to do and stuff like that. So, you know, honestly, I'm not here to tell you to obviously drop out. This is not a video to do that, but this is a video to inform you that you need to be in the right vehicle, and that is something that you need to decide, whether it's school or not, because school could be the right vehicle for you, but you need to be in the right vehicle. That's what's allowed me to get zero to, you know, a lot of money, honestly. I don't know the exact amount, but I've generated like almost $1 million in sales. I now have a Shopify plaque, huge achievement for me. That's just because I went to the right vehicle. So I hope this really motivated you. Of course, like take it with a grain of salt, and yeah, man, honestly, just keep pushing. But yeah, let's of course keep hustling, man. That's all I gotta say, really. Like just get in the right vehicle, and you'll start to understand which one is. So anyways, thank you, and check this camera out, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it follows me, bro. It follows me. Look at that shit. Woo. Anyways, I'll see you at the fucking top.